My name's Nathan Davis. I'm the current owner of Big Haul Junk Removal based out of Renton. We service from the Tacoma area all the way north to Marysville. We are effective, fully licensed, bonded, and insured, and we are very good at what we do. We have an amazing staff that can do the job that might take you all day in a matter of minutes. Not only do we have the biggest trucks, our pricing is very competitive because our trucks are bigger than our competition. You can visit us at bighaul.com. Call one of our friendly office staff at 1-877-770-HAUL. Somebody on the phone will provide a soft estimate. When the crew arrives, we'll provide a firm quote. Not only will a well-uniformed staff member show up, we will send a text message prior to arrival, followed up with a phone call. We will do a great job with clear, concise invoicing and a predetermined cost before we remove any items. If you like the price, we're happy to haul your stuff away right then and there, effectively and as fast as we can, and we will clean up the mess when we're done.